Hello friends, at first video I told you Arduino Uno is the best choice for beginners. So I'm using Arduino Uno to blink an LED. Actually blink an LED is the first program if you are a beginner. So let's start. Before write the program, you have to know the pin configuration of Arduino Uno. You have the Arduino Uno board. This is the main component, I mean microcontroller. Our latest Arduino Uno runs on Atmega 328 chip. The red button is reset button. If you press this button, your program will start from first. That's mean it just restart your board. Beside reset button, a metal box. It's USB port. Left corner, the black socket. It's power input pin. Now look at this sector. It's power sector. You can take 3.3 or 5 volt from here. Here another reset pin. If you connect reset to ground, your board will restart like pressing reset button. Okay, this sector is analog input sector. Here A0 to A5, total 6 analog input pin. Opposite side 0 to 13, total 14 digital pin. 0 and 1 are TX RX pin, that's mean transmitter and receiver pin. Bottom of this board ICSP pin. If you wanna connect another Arduino with this board, then you have to use this pin. Okay, that's enough. To make this project, connect your LED with Arduino by given diagram. Now just connect Arduino with your PC or laptops. Open Arduino IDE. And make sure your Arduino is perfectly connected with your PC or laptop. Here void setup and void loop. Use void setup to initialize variables, pin modes, libraries, etc. The void setup function will only run once after power up or reset Arduino board. And void loop repeat your program continuously. Okay, now just writing the program. In void setup you have to write pin mode, which pin you are using. I'm using 13, so just 13 as output, because blinking LED is an output command. Okay, that's the void setup. Now the void loop. We know pin number 13 is digital pin, so your command like digital write again your pin number 13 and type just high. High mean turn on, I mean your LED will glow by this command. Okay, now you have to set the delay time 500 millisecond. Okay, now again you have to write the same thing, digital write and pin number 13 and low, that's mean LED will off, turning off, doesn't fade. Okay, now just again set the delay time to 500. Okay, now you can verify your code by clicking this verify sign. Just click it. I don't want to save it, so look, the IDE compiling my sketch. Okay, done. Just upload. I don't want to save it again. I'm just uploading it to my Arduino. Okay, it's uploaded. Okay, that's the thing. You can change your delay time 500 to 1000 1000 mean 1 second actually. Okay, again uploading it. See the changes. Anyway, that's it. See you on next video. Have a nice day.